Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to set the camera on the Infinix Note 30 NFC device. First, just open the camera application. At the top of the camera, there is a lighting feature that has 4 kinds of options and you can use it according to your needs. Then if you want to resize the screen, you can tap this icon and you can adjust as needed. Meanwhile, if you want to use filters, you can also tap this option and here you can choose a suitable filter. For the photo feature, there are 6 kinds where you can use them as needed. Then if you want to zoom in, you can tap this icon or by doing the following steps. Okay, next, you can tap the settings icon in the upper left corner. Here there are many features that we will explain one by one their functions. Shutter sound. If you want to turn off the sound when taking pictures, you can disable it. Then the grid icon. This serves to display vertical and horizontal lines on the camera screen. If you want to turn it off, you can just disable it. Then the touch to capture feature serves to take picture with just one tap. HDR. Here, please set the settings on auto for maximum image result. Then if you want to add watermarks to your photos, you can activate this feature. There are 4 options to choose from that you can apply to your photos. And then to set the timer, you can tap this icon, then you can set it from 3, 5 until 10 seconds. And then horizontal level, this feature serves to balance the horizontal position of your image object. Then this option, it is useful for functioning the volume button as a shutter or zoom. And then the next option, we just leave it at the detail settings for maximum image result. And then for the QR code scan menu, we just skip it because it only works at certain times. Finally, you can also activate the fingerprint as a shutter by pressing this icon. And just for your information, that this method you can also apply on Infinix Note 30 and Infinix Note 30 Pro device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget